Ever felt like you're shouting into the void on social media? You spend hours creating content, but the likes, shares, and sales just aren't happening. It's frustrating, right? You see other brands go viral with seemingly simple videos, and you wonder, what's their secret? Well, the secret isn't some magic formula. It's a powerful combination of creative marketing and a game-changing new technology, artificial intelligence. Welcome, Clap members. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that is revolutionizing how we connect with our audience: creative marketing powered by AI video creation. If you've been struggling to stand out, if you feel like you're running out of ideas, or if you simply don't have the time or budget for a full-scale video production team, then you are in the exact right place. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a new perspective and actionable strategies to transform your content game forever. First, let's break down creative marketing. It's not just about flashy ads or clickbait titles. At its core, creative marketing is about storytelling. It's about making your audience feel something. Think about the last ad that genuinely made you laugh, or a brand story that almost brought a tear to your eye. That's the power we're talking about. And that's the difference between saying we sell coffee and creating a story about the perfect morning ritual. With your coffee at the center of that peaceful, energizing moment, people don't buy products. They buy better versions of themselves. They buy solutions, feelings, and experiences. Your marketing needs to tap into those desires. So, before you even think about creating a video, ask yourself, what problem am I solving for my customer? What emotion do I want them to feel when they see my content? Is it excitement, relief, inspiration, confidence? Your answer to this question is the foundation of your entire creative strategy. Now, here's where things get really exciting. Traditionally, bringing these creative, emotional stories to life through video has been expensive and time-consuming. You needed cameras, lighting, actors, editors, the list goes on. This is the barrier that has stopped so many brilliant ideas from ever seeing the light of day. But that's all changing, thanks to AI. AI video creation tools are no longer the stuff of science fiction. They are here, and they are incredibly powerful. Imagine being able to turn a simple text prompt into a dynamic, engaging video in minutes. Imagine generating a professional voiceover without a microphone, or creating custom animated characters without any design skills. With AI, you can take a completely different approach. You could start by writing a short script, a little poem about connecting with nature. Something like, in a world of noise, find your quiet place. Let the earth's gentle whispers soothe your skin and soul. It's poetic, it's emotional. Now, you take this script and feed it into an AI video generator. You can tell it, create a video with serene natural landscapes, close-ups of dew on leaves, a calm, flowing river, and soft, warm sunlight. The AI will instantly generate a series of beautiful, high-quality video clips that perfectly match your description. But wait, it gets better. You then use an AI voice tool. You can choose a voice that's warm, gentle, and trustworthy. You paste in your script, and in seconds, you have a professional-grade voiceover. Next, you can add subtle text overlays highlighting key phrases like, your moment of calm. Finally, you use an AI music tool to find the perfect ambient, calming soundtrack to tie it all together. In less than an hour, and for a fraction of the cost of a traditional shoot, you've created a beautiful, emotionally resonant video that tells your brand story perfectly. You haven't just shown your product, you've sold a feeling. You've created a piece of content that makes people stop scrolling and take a deep breath. That's creative marketing amplified by AI. This opens up a universe of possibilities. You can create different videos for different audiences. Maybe one version for busy moms who need a moment of peace, and another for young professionals stressed about their work. Think about the types of content you can make. You can create educational videos explaining the science behind your ingredients, turning complex information into simple animated explainers. You can create user testimonial videos by animating their written reviews and giving them a voice. You can generate quick, eye-catching social media ads for TikTok and Instagram Reels that are tailored to current trends, keeping your brand relevant and fresh. The key is to let AI handle the technical execution so you can focus on what truly matters: the creative idea, the strategy, the story. AI is not here to replace your creativity. It's here to unleash it. Your first few creations might not be perfect, but the learning curve is fast. Start thinking about the stories your brand has to tell. What are the emotions you want to evoke? Stop thinking about marketing as just selling. Start thinking of it as building connections, sharing value, and telling stories that matter. With the power of creative strategy and the incredible efficiency of AI, you have everything you need to not only reach your audience, but to truly connect with them on a level you never thought possible. Your next viral video isn't a matter of luck. It's a matter of strategy. So, what story will you tell first? We have so much more to explore together on this journey. Until next time, keep creating.